Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. Today we are going to make beautiful flower using ribbon. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 2.5 centimeters and length 8 centimeters. Now give heat touch up to the edges. Here I am taking total 10 pieces. Now take one piece and give respective folds as shown here. With the help of the tweezer, hold the pleats and give heat touch up as shown in the video. Now one petal is ready. Do the same procedure for other petals like this. Now all the petals are ready. Take the needle along with thread and sew each petal as shown here. After insertion of all the petals together, pull the thread from the both ends and give secure knot as shown here. Trim the extra thread. As shown in the video, adjust all the petals. Please carefully observe front side and back side of the flower for acquiring the required flower shape. Before you start stitching, center of the flower with a gap of approximately 1 centimeter, give a hand stitch as shown here. When you reaches the starting point of the stitching, pull the thread as shown here. Give a secure knot. Trim the extra thread. To get the required petal shape, adjust the petal as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching.